Okay, so today we're going to be doing find the area of composite shape. Composite shapes are shapes that have been put together. Before you begin, get out all your areas, your formulas, and write them down on a piece of paper. You've got them next to you. You can quickly refer to them instead of going back in your book. I did that and I use them quite a lot. So if you look over here at the first shape, we've got a trapezium and we've got a triangle. All right, they're pushed together, so we're going to work out the area of both of them. Okay, so what I want you to do, I want you to write what you're talking about. So if we're going to be looking at the trapezium, I want you to write, you can just do an abbreviation, TRAP. Right, what do you have to do for trapezium? Well, you have to add A plus B, which is your top line and your bottom line. So that's 11 centimeters and 18 centimeters. So we go 11 plus 18. And then you have to multiply it by your height, which is 10 times by 10. So 11 and 18 will give you 29 times by 10 will give you 290. Okay, so we know that the trapezium is going to be 290 square centimeters. Then we go and we tell me that we're looking at the triangle. And the triangle is going to be your base times your height. So your base will be 18 times by your height, which is 20, and then divided by 2. Okay, so let's do that on the computer. 18 times 20 is 360. Divide that by 2 and you get 180. So 180. Okay, then we're going to take your trapezium we haven't divided by 2. What am I doing? So over here we need to divide that trapezium by 2. I hope you noticed that I didn't do that. Let's go back. 290 divided by 2 is 145. So 180 plus 145. You see, I don't know my formulas as well as I should. Let's put that in the calculator. Plus 180 gives you 325 centimeters squared. Okay, so that works out the whole thing. So we looked at the trap, then we looked at the tri. So let's move up now. Let's move him. Let's turn it just a little bit. What the heck? Okay, cool. So now we've got a circle and inside a square, but can you see the pink part? That's the part that they want from us. So what we have to do, we have to work out that whole square, and then we have to work out what the circle is and take the circle out of the square. Right, so the square is 12 by 12, and we know that a square, so we just go S, you can do that, SQ is 12 squared, so 12 squared is 144. Right, so we know what our square is. Now we have to work out what our circle is. So we go circle. We know that our radius is 6 centimeters. So we go pi 6 squared is equal to pi 6 squared is equal to 113.0. Let's make it 0.10, okay, because we're rounding it to 2 digits. Now we've got to subtract the circle from the square. So we'll go 144, take 113.1, and we'll be left with 30.9 centimeters squared is shaded. So that's how you do it. Just be really, really careful. I had a lot of trouble with these, checking that you're doing the right formula for the actual shape. But come and talk to me and we'll do this together. It's actually quite fun once you get into it. So 5.6 please.